Next part of the genetics, that's the theories of sex determination. So for that, this thing started by whom? So first remember the scientist name, that's Hanking. Scientist name क्या है? Hanking. Remember the name of the scientist first. Name of the scientist, Hanking. He studied that spermatogenesis in grasshopper. He studied actually some of the insect spermatogenesis. In grasshopper, he had observed that 50% of the sperm carry X factor. X what? Factor or X body. Earlier name was not given X chromosome. Earlier they told what? Something that transfer means something that X factor or X body that transfer to half of the sperm, and that half of the sperm do not carry this thing. Meaning of that, first understand here. First example, which one? Grasshopper. Which one? Grasshopper. In that the theory of sex determination method that we call XX, XO or 0. Right? Right now I will tell that the XX, XO method. Okay. So XX, XO method that observed in case of grasshopper. Now in that what happened? First of all, you have the knowledge of this autosomes and allosomes. You know autosomes? Humans have how many autosomes? 22 pairs autosomes. And that's the last pair? Allosome or sex chromosome. Right? So by that way we have total 46 chromosomes. In each gamete, how many chromosomes? In each gamete, human के ही gamete की बात कर रहे हैं. So in each gamete, how many chromosomes? 23. Out of this 23, how many are autosomes? 22 are autosomes. Only one, either X or Y, that can be the sex chromosome. Pair जो है वो separate हो रहे हैं. Simple, right? So grasshopper over here, when I say that 50% of that's grasshopper sperms carry X body and 50% do not that carry that X body. Meaning उसके अंदर कुछ भी chromosomes नहीं रहते. Don't consider in that way. Grasshopper, in that also the autosomes are present, right? Autosomes as well as which one? Allosomes. Allosomes meaning sex chromosomes. Both are present. Now, first, suppose here the male and here the female and the parents. First, we write the parental combination. Parents have chromosome in a pair or a diploid or haploid. Parents are diploid, right? These organisms are diploid, but their gametes are haploid. So, as and when diploid meaning what? Pair of chromosomes, two sets of chromosomes. So, we write in this way. Capital A, I have written A indicates autosomes. क्या indicates कर रहा है? Autosomes. दो बार लिखा है तो autosomes in a pair. Autosomes in a what? Pair. Male का symbol है. So male has this kind of composition, XO. Males have which one? XO. Females, so females have this autosomes in a pair and XX chromosomes, right? In case of which organism? Grasshopper. Now next one, this male that form two kinds of gametes, this female form, but all gametes are of same types, yes or no? So now the next, that's the gametes formation. These two are the sperms, and here that's the egg or ovum. Now, so here what should I write in one of the gamete? A लिखो है A, because organism is diploid, but their gametes are haploid. So here only single set, one over here, other on this side. Clear? A plus what? X, and here A plus O. Right? X chromosome, only one X chromosome in case of male, right? Other factor is absent. So X body, right now I said what? X body. So this X body, remember that present in half of the gamete sperm and which is absent in other half. All female can produce what kind of gametes? A plus X. Now, as and when this two gametes, right, fertilize with each other, then which combi is formed? First, AA plus XX. If these two fertilize with each other, then AA plus XO. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? This one, can I say that this is the first generation? Parents बनाए, gametes बनाए, and then F1. So now AA plus XX जहाँ पे आया, that organism, that progeny we have as a female. So this one become daughter or female, right? And here that's the which one? Male progeny. So Henking observed that spermatogenesis in some of the insects, one of them that's the grasshopper. Grasshopper, in that he observed what? During spermatogenesis, because tab tak to kya tha, microscope and other things are there. So he observed that in some of these sperm, that X chromosome, 50% of the sperm carry X chromosome, 50% of the sperm do not carry that X body. He did not tell us that's the which one? X chromosome. He told us what? X body. He told us what? X body. So this X body present in 50% sperm, X body absent in 50% sperm. Clear? Later on, further that investigations done for this thing, what is this X body and other things. Then one more scientist name मैकलंग. क्या है नेम? मैकलंग. He told us कि जो हैंकिंग का X body है, that is actually the what? Chromosome. And the name given later on जो X body है उसको name दिया, now it's a X chromosome. Clear? So X body ही क्या था? X chromosome. Right? Henking suggested for X chromosome. Who had suggested? मैकलंग. राइट. सो जर्नी यहां से स्टार्ट करनी है. फर्स्ट दैट्स द हैंकिंग, याद रखना है. हैंकिंग स्टडीड विच प्रोसेस? फिनोमिनन spermatogenesis. In which organism? Grass. Some of the insects, and majorly उन्होंने find out किया for grasshopper. Grasshopper, in that he had observed what? That females, right? Females produces eggs, right? Eggs, in that all that eggs carry what? X chromosome or X body. But in spermatogenesis, what happened when he studied spermatogenesis? In that case, 50% of the sperm carry X body, 50% of the sperm do not carry that X body, right? Then he allowed the whichever kind of gametes are formed, he allowed that fertilization, and then this type of genotype will be formed. AA plus XX indicates what? Female. AA plus XO indicates what? Male. Understood this? Yes or no? सारे हमें theories of sex determination यही format में learn करने हैं. Understood? Anyone have a doubt? See that the mechanism of sex determination has always been a puzzle before geneticists. The initial clue about genetic or chromosomal mechanism of sex determination can be traced back to some of the experiments carried out in insects. So ये theories to start with when studied about which organisms? Insects. In fact, the cytological observation made in a number of insects led to the development of the concept of genetic or chromosomal basis of sex determination. Mean यहाँ से है Henking 1891. Henking 1891 could trace a specific nuclear structure all through which phenomenon? Spermatogenesis in few insects. One of the insect, grasshopper. And it was also observed by him that 50% of the sperm received this structure, X body, after spermatogenesis, where the other 50% sperm did not receive it. Hanking gave a name to this structure as what? X body. But he could not explain its significance. Further investigation by other scientists led to the conclusion that X body of the Hanking actually it was a what? Chromosome. Right? तो इसका मेन कंक्लूजन कैसे लर्न करना है? हैंकिंग 1891 he observed that specific nuclear structure because inside the nucleus chromosomes are present. He studied insects spermatogenesis and he observed what? 50% sperm carry X body and 50% sperm do not carry this. Later on, other geneticists or the scientists revealed that Hanking X body actually it was a what? X chromosome. कोई doubt? Next one. It was also observed that in a large number of insects, not only grasshopper, there so many insects are there in that we can observe this method, right? But आपको पहले यही याद होना चाहिए, grasshopper sex determination method type is dash XX-XO method. Okay. Large number of insects, the mechanism of sex determination is of the simple here written XO type. Because male form होगा या female, it depends on which one, male or female. Because male produces two different kinds of gametes. तो उसके बेस में either we write XX exotype or simply we write exotype method. Clear? That is, all X bear an additional X chromosome besides the other chromosomes that we call autosomes. On the other hand, some of these sperms bear X chromosomes, whereas some do not. Eggs fertilized by sperm having X chromosome. Eggs fertilized by the sperm. Eggs here, the eggs fertilized by the sperm having which chromosome? So इससे further progeny develops as a male or female. So that develop as a females, those fertilized by sperms do not have that X body that males. So do you think the number of chromosome in this type of organism like that's a grasshopper, that number of chromosome in male and females are equal or different? बोलिए, क्वेश्चन ये है कि लाइक ग्रासहॉपर टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म जिसमें XX एक्सो टाइप ऑफ मेथड है फॉर सेक्स डिटर्मिनेशन, द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स इन मेल एंड फीमेल आर इक्वल और नॉट equal? Let's check. Here autosomes are there, right? Consider that is the 11 pair of autosomes. How many? 11 pair of autosomes, right? So pair है तो total कितने हो गए? 22. ये भी pair हुआ है ना, तो कितने हुए? 1 pair ऐड करना है, meaning 2 member. 24 हुआ, yes or no? नेक्स्ट ये क्या है? पैर कितनी सेम? 11. फिर यहाँ पे कितने क्रोमोसोम्स है? कितने पैर है? दैट्स व्हाई आई राइट द 22. सेम लाइक दिस वन. plus how many chromosome in this? 1. So 22 plus 1 इक्वल बोलते हैं इसको हम, यस और नो, राइट? सो जहां पे XX XO है, O मीनिंग व्हाट? सी ह्यूमंस की अगर हम बात करें तो फीमेल में है XX, मेल में है XY, राइट? बोथ द साइड टू दैट्स अ क्रोमोसोम्स आर देयर, इन फीमेल XX, इन मेल XY, तो वहां पे नंबर सेम है. बट हियर इन केस ऑफ ग्रासहॉपर फीमेल्स कैरी XX but males have only one X chromosome, other chromosome is absent. So numbers are same or different in male female? Different. समझ में आ रहा है? So actual में grasshopper में होते हैं फीमेल में 24 chromosome, males have 23 chromosomes. Odd even number of chromosomes are there. Clear? So अगर क्वेश्चन आए in which of the following organism in that male and females have unequal number of chromosome? Which organism? Grasshopper. Understood? Grasshopper, why? Reason behind that? Females have XX, but male have only one X. Understood? Yes or no? Grasshopper में एक्चुअल में इतने ही क्रोमोसोम है. Females 24, males 23. Next, due to the involvement of X chromosomes in the determination of sex, it was designated to be the sex chromosome and the rest of the chromosome name given what? Autosome. Right? Last pair, I told you first 22 pairs, human की अगर बात करें, so first 22 pairs in males and females are same or different? Same, है ना? But last pair decides whether this fetus growing as a male or female, right? So that's why last pair of chromosome को सिर्फ क्या बोला? Sex chromosome. बाकी सारे को क्या बोला यहाँ पे? Autosomes. Understood? Next one, grasshopper. In that, which type of sex determination method? Exo, in which the males have only one X chromosomes besides the autosomes, meaning autosomes plus X chromosome. Females have one pair or two X chromosomes besides the autosomes. So females के लिए क्या लिखेंगे? Autosomes plus XX. तो AA plus XX. Clear? ये जो theoretical words दिए हैं, understanding clear है, meaning, concept. Anyone have a doubt in this part? Next one, ये grasshopper के लिए ही यहाँ पे दिया है. Next method, that in some other insects and the mammals, including man, we have simple method, that is XX, XY method. So in that also we write in this way. First write the symbols male and female. Here what should I write? Parent. Now male के लिए genotype बनाओ. AA represent what? Autosomes in a pair. Autosomes in a pair. Here AA plus XX. Next one. Now next gametes, right? Blossom, form. Over here the gametes. Which are the two different kinds of gametes? In first, AAX, wrong, Hiteshwari. A plus X, right? Next one, puzzle. A plus Y. Next, Falak. A plus X, right? Ansh. When these two gametes fertilize, what should be the genotype? AA plus, and that should be what? First generation, second parent. So here we write F1, right? Next, Kavya. When these two gametes fertilize, then AA plus XY, right? Ruchika, this one grow as a what? Female, right? And this one grow as a male. This is the theory of sex determination for basically human as well as Drosophila. दोनों का concept same ही है, right? Which two organisms? Example first, human, and the second, Drosophila. Drosophila, you know? Drosophila, melanogaster, fruit fly. So here the sex determination method we call XX, XY, or else simply we write XY method. Clear? Anyone have a doubt in this part? So among the males here, so जब XY method है, right? XY method, one is a XO method, other is a XY method. Can you differentiate? Can you give me any one difference between them? XO method and XY method? Number जाने दो. When XO method, then male females have unequal. But when XY, then equal number of chromosomes in males and females both. Right? So among the males, an X chromosome is present, but its counterpart is distinctly smaller, called which one? Y chromosome. I told you हम X chromosome straight line के form में draw करते हैं, and Y actually in a which form? Banded. Smaller है, smallest chromosome Y. right? Smallest chromosome कौन सा है? Y. On that least number of genes are present. Females, however, have a pair of X chromosome. Both males and females bear same number of autosomes. Yes or no? 22 pairs in case of male, 22 pairs of autosomes in case of females. Hence, the males have autosomes plus XY. Females have autosomes plus in human beings and in Drosophila. The males have one X and one Y chromosome, whereas females have a pair of X chromosome. सेम यहाँ पे भी वही XX अगर XY है मेल में तो वन क्रोमोसोम दैट इज X क्रोमोसोम इन वन गैमेट, Y क्रोमोसोम इन अदर गैमेट. गैमेट्स में ऑटोसोम्स होंगे या ओनली X एंड Y? बोलिए मेरा क्वेश्चन हाँ या ना. इन गैमेट्स autosomes are present or not? Present na, right? But in a which form? Pair form or single? Single, right? Next one. So two types of sex determining mechanisms we have learned. Which are the two types? XO and XY. In both the cases, females produce same kind of gamete. Yes or no? So here you have to learn one word, that is heterogamety. Heterogamety. Can you explain this word? Hetero meaning gamety, gametes, right? Exo, in case of which organism? Grasshopper has exo kind of chromosome. So it produces two different kinds of gametes. Yes or no? Remember 50% gametes carry X. 50% gametes will not carry that X. Humans, Drosophila, which mechanism? XY method. So in that, male produce same kind of gametes or female produces? Female. So here the further generation that will become the son, daughter, male, female, that depends on what? Male or female? Male. So sex determination methods XO and XY, basically they are which one? Male heterogamety. Which one? Male heterogamety. Male produces two different kinds of gametes, and that gametes fertilized by the egg cell, fertilizes the actually egg cell, and then the either female or male can be developed. So, but in XO and XY method, but in both the cases, male produces two different types of gametes. First, either with or without X chromosome, and in another one, some gametes with X, some gametes with Y. Such type of sex determination mechanism is designated as an example of male heterogamety. Which one? Male heterogamety. Theory के लिए, MCQ के लिए तो learn करना ही है. For theory, explain the male heterogamety. Explain the which one? Male heterogamety, either for 3 marks or 4 marks. तो क्या explain करोगे? कौन से दो methods? XO and XY method, right? In detail. For that, अगर आपको directly writing में problem हो रहा है, you can make this kind of the flow chart first and then explain, right? अगर directly लिख सकते हो तो ठीक है, but if written diagram is required or flow chart is required, then you should make this, not given in your book, right? But in this format also you can represent, but you should write in your words also this thing. Clear? XO for which organism? XY? Yes. Next example आ रहा है, that is the birds, right? Birds में different है, opposite to us. Birds in that female produces two different kinds of gametes, not the males, right? Birds में क्या है? Female produces two different kinds of gametes. So here first we write male female symbols, parents, autosomes plus one thing. It's not compulsory हर एक में X chromosome ही हो and Y chromosome for sex chromosomal pair. In birds, Z and W kinds of chromosomes. Which one? हमारे में जो एक्स एंड वाई है उससे डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर में प्रेजेंट है क्रोमोसोम्स इन केस ऑफ दिस ऑर्गेनिजम्स, सो दे आर डेजिग्नेटेड एज अ जेड एंड अदर क्रोमोसोम एज अ डब्ल्यू, right? So now by using this Z and W, and I have given one statement that is in case of birds, male produce same kind of gamete or female? Female. So what should I write here? Z Z. Which one? Z Z. W W mat likhna yahan pe. Which one? Z Z. Here females in that Z W. Female is heterogamety. In case of birds, further generation or the fetus growing as a male or female depends on female, right? Next one, this one form what? Gametes. Here what kind of gamete? A plus Z. Next here two different kinds of gametes. A plus, sorry, A plus Z and here A plus W. Right? Now next one, that this gametes, when A plus Z fertilized by this egg, तो क्या बनेगा? A plus ZZ, and when this two AA plus ZW, this one become what? F1. So this one female, right? So female, explain the female heterogamety. Explain the which one? Female heterogamety. Example. Explain the male heterogamety. Examples. Grasshopper, which method? Exo method. Next. Humans and which method? XY methods, right? In case of XY and XY method, which one produces two different kinds of gametes? Male. In case of birds, which one produces same kind of gametes? Male. Same kind of gametes? Different kind? You know pavo? Yes. कौन? Peacock, right? So NEET में दो चैप्टर, I told you ना, दो चैप्टर के कॉम्बी में क्वेश्चंस आएंगे, 2-3 questions were like this, right? So in that, if ask in actinodites, penguin bird में आता है? Okay. So in actinodites or pavo, right? The theory of sex determination is dash. Female heterogamety दिया है तो otherwise which type? ZZ, ZW. Which one? ZZ, ZW. फिर ऐसा नहीं कि ये नहीं करवाए. You have to link this thing. Clear? You know that Columbia, pigeon, right? So in that also the theory of sex determination, which type? ZZ, ZW. Clear? Now, if asked in peahen, this kind of chromosomes are there. तो आंसर peahen में क्या होगा? ZZ और ZW. peahen is male और female? हाँ, वो बेसिक आना चाहिए आपको, राइट? तेतेश्वरी रॉन्ग किया ना. So peahen female, right? ढेल, हाँ. So in that female heterogamety, ZZ, ZW, which one? ZW only. बोलिए. Clear? Sure? Now the next one. Next theory, very, very, very important for 2 marks question, that is theory for sex determination in honeybees, right? Honeybees के जैसे other insects भी है, but well known for honeybees, and that theory name haploidy diploidy mechanism. Haploid diploid or haploidy diploidy mechanism, right? जितना भी written part है given in your book, first understand the concept. ये थोड़ा different है, okay? First one, in that the male organism, right? Male organism and female organism. Here which words mention I have? Haploidy, diploidy. Meaning one haploid, other diploid. In case of honeybee, that first male and female, males are haploid. Males are what? Haploid. And females are? Diploid. Females are diploid. Males are haploid, females are? Diploid. Haploid, diploid. Male haploid, female diploid. Meaning, see, females have two sets of chromosomes. जैसे हमारे में वन फ्रॉम मदर वन फ्रॉम फादर है ना, बट मेल जो है दैट्स अ हनी बीज, बेसिकली वी कॉल ड्रॉन्स. यू नो हनी बी थ्री कास्ट, वन इज अ क्वीन, वर्कर बीज एंड ड्रॉन्स, है ना. ये तीन कास्ट पता है आपको? यस और नो? हाँ. सो क्वीन है, वर्कर बीज है एंड अदर इज अ विच वन? ड्रॉन्स, है ना. मेल्स को क्या बोलते हैं? ड्रॉन्स. फीमेल्स जो है, only one female behaves as a queen, rest all female becomes worker bees. ये clear? So now here the males, जितने भी honeybees में drones है, right? All males are haploid and worker bees and queen diploid. Two sets of chromosome. तो ये उसका parental type ही है. हम यहाँ पे chromosomes number n is equal to जो है that is 16. कितने होते हैं? तो 2n is equal to 2n is equal to what? 32 chromosomes are here. Okay, 2n is equal to 32. Males have only 16 chromosomes, but females have 32 chromosomes, right? You know gametes are always haploid. Gametes are always haploid. ये organism खुद ही क्या है? राइट. सो हैप्लॉइड एंड गैमेट्स भी अभी आपने बताया क्या होते हैं. तो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सेल डिवीजन इज नीडेड? माइटोसिस. न्यूक्लियोसाइटोप्लाज्मिक रेशियो शुड रिमेन मेंटेन कांस्टेंट. यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी हैप्लॉइड है, अगर 16 का मैं और हाफ करने जाऊं तो 8, फिर और वापस से हो जाएंगे तो डिफरेंट, राइट. सो गैमेट्स आर ऑलवेज हैप्लॉइड. और रिमेंबर दिस स्टेटमेंट, ऑर्गेनिज्म भी यहाँ पे हैप्लॉइड है. सो हैप्लॉइड टू हैप्लॉइड फॉर्मेशन विच सेल डिवीजन इज नीडेड? सो हियर माइटोसिस सेल डिवीजन से गैमेट्स फॉर्म होते हैं. जनरली वी से व्हाट दैट सम मियोसिस इज नीडेड फॉर गैमेट फॉर्मेशन, बट ये एक्सेप्शनल है. इन केस ऑफ हनी बीज मेल गैमेट्स आर फॉर्म. रिमेंबर विच गैमेट? Male gamete. Which one? Male gametes are formed through what? Mitosis. Male gametes are formed through mitosis. Clear? Next one. After that, female diploid hai, but gametes are. So which cell division is needed? Meiosis cell division is needed, and gametes become what? Haploid. Actual कितने gametes form होंगे? By meiosis 4. अंडरस्टैंड. यहाँ पे 4 फॉर्म होते हैं. बाय माइटोसिस कितने होंगे? 2. तो मैंने कितना ड्रॉ किया? एंड यहाँ पे 2 हाफ हाफ बनाए हैं. समझ में आ रहा है? ऐसा डोंट कंसीडर कि वन गैमेट ही फॉर्म. माइटोसिस है, एवरी टाइम 2 डॉटर सेल्स विल बी फॉर्म. क्लियर? हियर बाय meiosis how many? 4. But just to make it easy, right now I make half of the number of gametes. Here 1 and here 2. These two are what? Female gametes, egg cells. These two are egg. And this one sperm. Now, when these two fuse with each other, this male gamete fertilized by this female gamete, then which combi? N plus N, 2N. Right? This is the normal fertilization process. Yes or no? Right? Male gamete fertilize the female gamete and form diploid structure. Now, so ये male gamete ये female gamete का तो fertilization होगा. Another male gamete is half का ही understand करना. Another male gamete is not available. Yes or no? So those, this is the male or female gamete? Female gamete. So those female gametes do not fertilize by sperm. Male gamete, sperm. After some time, that converts into male organism. Which one? Male organism. And that process we call parthenogenesis. Which one? You know parthenocarpy? Without fertilization, fruit formation. So यहाँ पे without fertilization, organism development. So जब हम organism, animals की बात करते हैं, then which word? Parthenogenesis. And botany के लिए वो word क्या हो जाता है? Parthenocarpy. Clear? Basic difference between parthenocarpy and parthenogenesis. Parthenocarpy word used for fruits, plants, basically. Parthenogenesis word we use for organisms, animals. Organisms, plants bhi hai, right? Animals. Clear? So, first, male, female. Males are, females are, ये पहले clear होना चाहिए. Male haploid है in case of honeybee. Females are diploid. Next, this haploid diploid organism produces their gametes. Gametes are always haploid. So haploid organism say haploid gamete by mitosis. Diploid organism form haploid gametes by now gametes fusion. जितने fusion में जाएंगे वो क्या बनेंगे? Diploid. So they grow as a females, and those are not fertilized by male gamete. Means those female gametes are not fertilized by male gamete, behaves as a male organism. By which process? By which process? Parthenogenesis process. Right? So by parthenogenesis, unfertilized, remember the word, unfertilized, male gamete or female gamete? ये words को pick करना है MCQ के लिए. Unfertilized female gamete produced as an male organism by parthenogenesis. Clear? Unfertilized female gamete converts into by which process? Parthenogenesis. Understood this line? Yes or no? Right? Now, one that line is given after the topic of this, and she read that. Just last line में लिखा है grandfather son. क्या लिखा है? Slowly read करना.
This is called as haploid determination and has special characteristic features.
नहीं, last line पे जाना. उसमें.
They do not have father.
Okay. क्या लिखा है first?
They do not have father.
They do not have father. Okay. Next.
And thus cannot have sons.
Okay. They do not have, first we write here. They do not have father and do not have फिर
But have grandfather and can have grandsons.
okay, but have grandfather and the grandson. Right? ऐसा क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पे? See that over here. This grandson की ही बात basically लिखी है. Right? This grandson, आप ये organism के बारे में देखो over here. So here the gametes are formed and then this. Right? So first, this organism haploid है. Right? So this haploid organism basically यहाँ पे जो mention किया ना, they do not have father and do not have son. Now ये organism बन गया. Pause करना sir. First this thing understand, right? They do not have father. So suppose we consider this thing, यही just link को observe कीजिए, this one, right? So this male organism produced directly from the female. Yes or no? So father का role आया यहाँ पे? Yes or no? Because unfertilized egg converts into male organism. तो first ये reason की वजह से लिखा है, they do not have father. They do not have, right? So in case of that is which organism? Drosophila. honeybees. In that they do not have fathers and do not have sons. So once we observe this, that's a male organism, right? So male organism produced by only female as a mother, right? So no father. So they do not have father and do not have son. Son in which sense? They, when these two, father, so son, when these two organisms produce gametes, fertilize, that form what? Female. Right? Next written that both have what over here? They have the grandson and grandfather. So when we say here male organism formed from the female only, but this female formed by the both the parents contribution, right? So here grandson, but father है नहीं, grandson formed from the mother. एंड मदर के यहाँ पे क्या मिलेंगे हमें फिर इंसान के रिस्पेक्ट में? ग्रैंड मदर एंड ग्रैंड फादर. क्लियर? बोलिए. अभी